What's up guys, this is Josh. I'm gonna be getting geared up with my metal detector and my scuba equipment. We'll be hopping in, trying to see if we can find any lost items and hopefully remove some trash out of the river as well. We are geared up, ready to hop in the water. I wanna show you guys a breakdown of my gear real quick before I get in. Here we have my BC tank and then obviously my regulator. Sounds good. Got the mask with the Ace Pro 2, my fins, and then the metal detector. We're gonna go ahead and hop in and see what we can find. I feel like a superhero gearing up for war. Well, that was a little bit shallower than I anticipated. Don't let the magic of editing trick you. It took me about 30 minutes to get my first target. Don't mind me, I'm just scoping around looking for a swamp puppy to hang out with. This is a shell of some sort of freshwater snail. I'm not really sure the species, so if you know, feel free to drop that below in the comments. My best guess would be an apple snail, but I'm not entirely sure. Alright, we're gonna start by going upstream, and then we'll kind of float back down and scan the area. This here is a sand boil. The bottom almost feels fluid. My hand sinks in a few inches, but it's nothing scary. It's just spring water bubbling up from the ground. Whenever I get a target in the tall grass like you see here, it's super important to keep a few things in mind. One, I don't want to be uprooting any of the vegetation, and two, I don't want to disturb the sediment too much because that reduces the visibility and also adds turbidity to the river. I grew up about 20 minutes down the road from here, so I'm pretty familiar with this river and where all the springs are, but this is a new one that I just found on this dive. This was definitely a tighter squeeze, and with my scuba tank and all my gear, I could not fit in here, so I decided to bail and to go back up. Maybe next time I'll have to come back and visit while I'm freediving so I don't have all this equipment on me. I didn't quite tilt the camera back far enough to show just how tall this grass was, and that's what I was trying to show here. But this grass was roughly about 5 feet tall. It was huge and honestly kind of a little sketchy. At this point, I was pretty happy with the things that I had found, and I was running low on air, so this is when I made my way back to the boat. Alright, we just got all the gear off the boat and loaded back into the truck. We're gonna go ahead and go through all of our treasure. I'm gonna show you guys a recap of all the treasure that I found today. Alright, so to start out, we got this old Bush Bavarian beer. Another diver actually told me this is probably like a 1980s Bush can here. It's pretty cool. Got an old pull tab here. Got a ratchet straps. It looks like it's been down there for a while. I have no clue what this is. It's just some piece of wire and metal. I'm super confused what that was. Got a fishing hook with a jig on it. Got this cool looking pocket knife. It's very aggressive looking. Got a t-shirt label, small. 2 giant screws. These are actually pretty close together, so I'm assuming they were probably for the same thing. Got a vape pen. It says Sky Mint is the flavor. And then my 2 favorite finds were these dive lights that actually still work. They're pretty solid dive lights here. Pretty cool. So if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much. I hope you had fun watching me on this dive. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And for future videos, I'm actually going to get a scale and we're going to weigh how much trash I'm able to pull out of the river, and then we'll kind of just accumulate, see how much trash we can collect in a year. So I don't have that scale just yet, but I will get one here shortly, and then we'll start weighing all of our finds and all the trash we pull out of the river. And again, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. I'm getting eaten alive by bugs right now, so I need to get out of here.